How waterproof is your floor? What does it mean for laminate to be waterproof? It's a water-resistant system that includes the locking joints and the seals around the edges. Mannington Restoration Collection Laminate features their patented Spill Shield Plus waterproof technology, which means it protects against any kind of spills, including pet messes or standing moisture. It is highly durable, resistant to scratches and indentations, as well as stains and fading from sunlight exposure. Plus, if you're looking for the most realistic hardwood visuals, Mannington Restoration Laminate is the perfect choice. Mohawk Revwood Laminate has gorgeous hardwood visuals and is the most successful brand on the market. Revwood is highly durable and 4 times more scratch resistant than other leading laminate wood products. It comes in various lengths and widths and also features Mohawk's Wet Protect technology, which offers full coverage waterproof protection backed by a lifetime surface and subfloor warranty. All Wet Protect floors have watertight joints that prevent water from leaking through the gaps to damage your subfloor, and its waterproof finish traps moisture on the surface. Engineered Floors TimberStep Wood Luxe Laminate Flooring is water resistant, durable, pet-friendly, and is 12 millimeters thick with a 2 millimeter attached pad. The registered embossing really brings out the look and feel of the wood grain. TimberStep has all the strength and beauty of timber without the higher price point and extra maintenance. It installs over most existing floors, has a superior scratch-resistant surface, and is resistant to stains and fading. Repel laminate comes in 3 different styles: Anthem Plus, Gold Coast, and Intrigue. All 3 styles feature Repel splash-proof technology, which is designed as a moisture barrier to protect your floors from everyday splashes and spills. In addition, Repel laminate is scratch, stain, and fade resistant, kitten pet friendly, and easy to install. It can even be wet mopped. So why choose laminate? Increasing costs of freight and luxury vinyl have made the cost of laminate flooring more appealing. Flooring companies have also started investing in water-resistant laminate. Laminate also has realistic hardwood visuals, it's easy to install, it's budget-friendly and durable. Most laminate is also scratch, fade, and stain resistant, and some even include an attached pad. For more information on water-resistant laminate, visit our showroom in Dalton, Georgia, or shop online at georgiacarpet.com.